Oh god.
Hey, buddy, I think you lost this.
Finally, something good.
I needed a little time to get her airborne.
Come on, Peter Tingle.
Stark was right. You do deserve that.
I want pictures of minions.